Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are gonna do an install. I don't know if you can see this bad boy right here. A short antenna. It's an Indian antenna. The part number is 2880768. Man, I gotta get better glasses. But it's a low profile antenna. And it's from Indian. And I think there's other ones too if you look online. I'll try and find a couple online and throw it down in the description if you want to take a look at them if you don't have an Indian dealer or something. But anyway, it's just got an M6. It's got an M6 thread on there. And then let's take the old one off. Okay, all right, so here's where your antenna attaches to. And this, it's kind of hard to see, the lighting's not the best, but this guy right here, it can pivot. You can pivot this. And all we need to do is slide this boot up to take this one off. Like that. Ooh. Well, that's not supposed to happen. I don't know how this sucker even stayed on. But anyway, this part here should stay permanently in this part. But anyway, you're supposed to just lift this little boot up, and I think it's a number 7. I think it's a number 7. Take this guy off. Looks a little bit corroded. There's a washer there, we'll reuse that. But anyway, let me touch the screen. Anyway, this is the guy that just came out. It looks like it's, yeah, it did pretty good actually. So that's out with the old, and then in with the new. And you know what, a friend of mine said, hey, when you put the new one in, take a little bit of this. Take a little bit of this. A little bit of Vaseline, petroleum jelly. And use it as kind of like, I don't have any dielectric grease. But he goes, you can put a little bit on the threads and it'll act like dielectric grease. Put it down in the comments. Tell me if this is true, if I'm just absolutely just totally rednecking it here. But he said it would work. And you can see there's a little lock washer. Just go ahead and put that baby on there like that. And that actually, the petroleum jelly helps hold the washer on there, the lock washer. And then you want to just go ahead and thread it on. And this one does not have a sliding boot. So you can take a pair of pliers. You know, you don't want to squeeze too much, but, and then just snug, oops. And then just snug this up until it stops. You don't need to squeeze hard. You don't want to break it. And that's about all there is to it. Wipe off the excess petroleum jelly there. Sorry for bumping the dang camera. But that's it. That's all you got to do. And here's what it looks like. That's what it looks like right there. You know, if you're looking at it. And then you can also tilt it. You can tilt it back up and underneath the bike a little bit like that. That looks way better. I kind of like that. So now when you walk by the bike, you know, you're walking by, you don't have this antenna up here swinging around, dinging up your trunk or catching on your coat, and it's nice and out of the way. So anyway, we did it.